Today, we're going to learn the future perfect tense and how to talk about actions completed before a future time. The future perfect describes something that will be completed before a particular time in the future. The key question is, what will have happened by then? We often use the word by with a future time. Hi everyone, let's look at the formula. The basic formula is subject, will have, and the past participle. For example, I will have finished my homework. The action will be completed before a future point. She will have arrived by 8 o'clock. This means her arrival will be complete before 8. Remember, after will have, we use the past participle. Regular and irregular verbs can both be used. By means no later than that time. The action will already be completed at or before that future time. Look at the timeline. The project is completed first, and Friday is the future deadline. To make it negative, use will not have, or the contraction won't have, followed by the past participle. By Friday, I won't have finished the project. This means the project will still not be complete by Friday. To make a question, begin with will, then the subject, have, and the past participle. Short answers are simple. Yes, I will, or no, I won't. We can also ask when the action will be completed. When will you have finished? By Friday. Future simple focuses on a future action. Future perfect focuses on an action completed before a future time. Your turn. By 9 p.m., she what? Think about the correct future perfect form. The answer is, she will have finished her homework. Will have plus the past participle, finished. Remember, will have plus the past participle for something completed before a future time. Look for by. Thank you for learning with me, Mr. Riyan. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share and subscribe. See you next time.